So, whenever you see or hear a message about a scientific finding, there's a few things you should look for. The first, and probably the most important, is this. Was the content engaging? Are you left wanting to know more in a good way? Second, what was the science question that was involved? Take a step back from the results to think about what the question was. Doing that can actually help you better understand how important or trivial the finding is. Did it communicate the importance of that scientific research question? Or, put another way, did the message state clearly why you should care? Do you know how big or small the problem or issue is? How many people or situations are being affected by this information? Something that affects 1 million people is different than something that only affects 10. My field is risk communication. A version of the how big is it question that I often ask is this. Are the findings presented in relative terms? For example, 25% more likely. Or are they being described in absolute terms? Say this affects 2% of women. Many effects sound big in relative terms, but don't actually affect that many people overall. Asking these types of questions helps you figure out, is this message trustworthy? Is this science, is this finding a large or small effect? And is this important in the world or to you personally? Which helps you pay attention to the scientific findings that really matter. Anyway, that's what I look for when I'm reading or listening to a science communication.